Do you struggle to find workouts that fit your schedule, or you don't know what workouts are going to be most effective to help you burn the most fat in less time? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're going to be answering both of those questions so that you can reach your weight loss goals faster. Let's get into it. The first thing that we need to make clear is how much time do you realistically have every day? This can be for most people 5 to 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes and at most 20 minutes. When you understand how much time you have each day, it's going to be more effective, especially when you are trying to plan your workouts in advance. When you're trying to plan your workouts in advance, it's going to save you a lot less stress and save all that stress for the work that you need to be doing. This will help you when you're trying to plan your exercise calendar so you're not spending most of your time trying to plan workouts when you need to be moving your body. And when you find that you have more time on off days, you can include workouts that are 30 minutes to an hour so that you can burn more calories and fat. And speaking of burning more calories and fat, now that we have more structure in our exercise calendar, we can consider what type of workouts we'd like. In other words, what workouts are going to help us stay the most consistent so that we can continue to burn more fat over time. Some of the most popular workouts include things like Zumba, dance, walking, Pilates, and yoga. All of these workouts help us to increase our endorphins, which are feel-good hormones that tell us when we are experiencing something that makes us happy. And like what I was saying before, those workouts are going to help us to stay most consistent because to us, it doesn't feel like a workout. Instead, it feels like we're just having fun. And the more fun that we're having, the more we're going to burn more calories and more fat, and who knows, maybe even increasing our time of our workout, and so therefore getting even more of a calorie burn and fat burn. So make sure not to miss out on this very important way to help you to stay consistent with your weight loss goals. Now, the last thing that we need to consider when trying to create our exercise plan is progressions after a certain period of time. So this can usually be within 7 to 8 weeks of progressions. After a while, when you notice when you're starting to get better at your workouts, or it's just getting easier for you, make sure to increase the intensity by adding things like inclines, declines, isometrics, pulses, longer intervals, less rest, and any way that you can improve intensity is going to help you to get better results and help you to feel stronger, happier, and healthier. And when we start to get used to doing hard things, it helps us to build a more resilient mindset because we're introducing new challenges that we didn't have before. Building a structured fitness program is one of the best ways to help you to feel good inside and out. However, if you notice that your environment is causing you to go back into bad habits or setting you back on your weight loss journey, then I want you to check out my latest video on how your environment could be holding you back and how you can fix those problems. I'll see you over there.